Hey guys, EBPMAN here. So if you're looking to upgrade the quality of your video, if you're a professional photographer, if you're doing weddings, or if you're someone like me that's working on a YouTube channel and you'd like to take your YouTube channel to the next level, you're going to want to watch this video because today we're going to take a look at the FeiyuTech AK4500 and it's a gimbal that's going to work on all your DSLRs. Let's get right to it. Now, over the last year and a half, we've been improving the audio and video quality of everything we shoot on the channel. We've upgraded our cameras. We've also been shooting everything now in 4K. So when FeiyuTech reached out and said, hey, would you like to check out our AK4500? I was absolutely yes, because this is the next thing I wanted on the channel to improve the overall quality of everything we shoot. So we've improved everything in studio, but as we go outside, I wanted to have more crispy, smooth type experiences when it came to shooting video, especially since I wanted to keep everything 4K. So we're going to do an unboxing today. We're going to take a look at all these features, and it has some really incredible features that are going to allow you to have your camera as it's mounted on this gimbal to follow you using this magic wand. Really cool features. So let's get to the unboxing and see why you may want to consider, again, the AK4500 to take your YouTube channel, wedding photography, or any kind of photography to the next level.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now in the box, you're going to receive two things. You're going to have this accessory kit, which is where the magic happens, and we're going to talk about this in a second. And then you receive this really cool travel case. This travel case has all your accessories, all your components nicely organized and positioned. We're going to go ahead and open this up and move this over here to the side. And as you can see here, here's your gimbal. Here are all the components. So you have the gimbal mount with a quick release. You have all the different accessories, batteries, charging cables, everything that you need. And we're going to take a look at these in a couple seconds. In addition to that, you have in this box here, we have the what they call the magic remote. And the magic remote is going to give you the ability to actually track just by moving your hand. I'm going to take this out for a second. Here it is. So this is the magic remote. This remote or wand, if you point to the left, the camera will move to the left. If you point to the right, the camera will move to the right. If you go up, it will go up. If it goes down, it will go down. If you rotate, literally, if you rotate around in a circle, the camera will also rotate in a circle. And that's what makes this so incredible, because you do see this from smaller things. So you see this like from DJI with the Osmo. But you don't really see this with DSLR type shooters. So having a gimbal that would do that is going to change the game when it comes to recording 4K video when you're using a DSLR. So you have this magic remote and you have a significant amount of accessories here. If you take a look at this, we'll bring this back into view. So you have all these adapters and brackets here. We'll take this out for a second. So this is going to be a mounting bracket right here. So you have, it looks almost like a wrench, but you have that. You have some other components here that are going to be part of it. So you can see here and here. Okay, put that over to the side. And then over here, looks like you have some additional components that we'll see as we put this together. And then let's see what you have in here. Okay, so you have USB cables, and it looks like it's a USB-C too. So it's a USB-C cable, which is really neat. Like everything in an Allen wrench. So like it when the new accessories or any new device has USB-C, because so many of these devices end up having a micro USB cable or a connector, and that kind of bums me out because I have moved everything over to USB-C. So, and once again, this little stick right here, this little wand, is going to allow you to really navigate everything. So we're going to put this over to the side. We're going to take a look at everything that's in the box. So here you have a charging base. So this is going to allow you to charge all your batteries, which are included. So you can see the batteries right there. You have some additional cabling. Here we'll open this up, see what's inside. So here you have some cables that we'll be using. Some additional USB. This one is actually micro USB. That's weird. So USB-C on one side, micro USB on the other. All right. And let's see what else we have. Put this back here. So we have more cabling here. Let's see, is this USB-C or USB? Oh, this is now standard USB. Look at that. That's an old school USB. And then over here we have micro USB. Oh, This is actually, we saw this a while ago. So it looks like these are accessory cables that allow you to retrofit to different devices. So check this out. So here's more. Here's USB-C. Nice. And everything is labeled. So USB 2.0 to USB-C. And then over here we have another accessory. And then here is micro USB. So this is an accessory kit that's going to allow you to maintain compatibility with all different type of accessories. I think that's cool. All right. So here we have, our mount. And one of the neat things about this is that this is a quick release mount. So look how fast that comes out. So all you do is put into place and it snaps back in. So that's really, really convenient, especially if you want to go from having your camera on gimbal and then just take it out because you need to do some other shot. And then what you can do is once you have that in place, you can go ahead and, I'm sure, lock that up. So we'll go ahead and put that back. Here we have some other plates. We'll go ahead and put that right there. Let's see what we have right here. Oh, nice. All right, so this is going to be cool because, again, so as you put everything together, remember we talked about having that that wand. So we'll bring our wand back into camera. So here we have our wand. You can actually put this on a countertop. Let's say you're shooting a cooking video or a repair video. You can have everything mounted, and then by moving this around, it's going to follow the person that you want to shoot. So that's pretty neat. So that's going to go on the bottom there. We'll put that here. We have a longer stick. Ooh. Wow, this feels like it's carbon fiber, super duper light. It looks like carbon fiber too. All right, so that's going to be going here on the very bottom. So that's going to be an extension. And then what do we have here? It looks like, let's see what this is. All right, so these are, oh, okay, so this is the mount for your camera. All right, nice. We'll put that back in here. And now let's look at this. All right, now this is the big boy. Get it out of the box. And this has some weight to it. Oh boy, this has some weight to it. So here you'll notice that you have USB connection. We'll flip this around. And it looks like it has it on both sides. Nice. All right. And you have, again, controls on this side. It does have an optical area where you'll be able to see. So this is going to be an LCD that's going to give you all the details as to what's going on in the gimbal. Right. On the bottom, make sure that you guys can see that. There's a mounting, so you can mount this to this as well. And again, this is going to have several different ways that you can hold this. So not only can you hold it like this, so if we take a look at it this way, this is one way that you can do it, but you can also hold it like this. So if you're holding it like this and you have that, that magic wand or one of the other adapters in place, you'll be able to hold it where you're driving forward. So let's check out the website so we can see all the specs, we can see additional details and why you may want to consider this. Now, as we take a closer look at the website, a couple things that stand out. So first of all, this is the AK4500 DSLR camera stabilizer. It retails for $749. It's a brand new product, so there are not a lot of reviews out there. You'll find some other reviews on YouTube of folks that have received them and are testing them out. A couple things that you can see here is we have a couple of ways that we can mount this. So we've seen just the handheld mount. You've had the forward where you can see that handle there. We also have standing up forward. We also have it with the bottom, like we were speaking of earlier. You can see this illustration here, how this person is using both that carbon fiber bar as well as the handheld mount to keep it in an angle. And then over here we have it where you can actually have it sitting next to you with the base. And again, you have that magic wand where you're going to be able to move it left and right. So if we take a look at some of the things that they're highlighting here, so you have, again, it's the AK4500, it's a high performance gimbal, it's self-balancing as well. You have the payload, which is pretty decent in size. It has the handles, it has touch stabilization, so you do have that touch screen, 3-axis, again, lock button. It has that quick install, that quick release plate, which is really nice. It has an app that you can pair to your phone. It has also wire control. So that's really good, so you can do direct connections. And then you have center focus, and then it looks like central to follow focus of the camera. Okay, so we'll have to see what that does. Let's see what else we have here. So this is, again, how it looks when you have your camera on, the payload that we talk about, and then we have the different motors that are there supporting it, and how that's an increase also in payload compared to their AK40 or 4000. We'll go down, and let's see what else are they showing here. Again, the easy way to switch, so you can switch between landscape and portrait just with a click of the button, so it will flip your camera, which is nice. Again, simple and light, so that's it's going to be fatigue free. And then you have that the control. So you can see the control area. This is not the magic wand, but this is what you have on the gimbal itself. So again, you have camera settings, focus and zoom, and then you have gimbal mode, system setup, and then you have the actual move as well. This is pretty neat. Quick install without leveling, right? So it will self-level itself, and you can see the quick release plate. And then let's see what else. We have the detachable handle, quick leveling as we spoke of. That's again everything that we looked at right there. Some additional adjusting, and you can see all the pieces that we were looking at and where they mount. Again, the AK4500 can follow the focus accurately with its multifunctional button. External wireless follow focus. It's adapted to Canon, Sony, Panasonic, and Nikon. So it's going to cover all of those most frequently used cameras, especially if you're a wedding photographer or you're doing something on YouTube, which is pretty nice. You have inception mode, all right, so that's pretty cool. That cinematography, that effect, that's pretty nice. Shadow Hunter, time-lapse recording, nice. You have this extension here for better reach, and then I think that's it. So then you have all the accessories. All right, so here are the specifications for those of you who are really looking at the specs. AK4500, this is again the angle for tilting, rolling, panning, tilt follow rate, throttle battery life 12 hours. That's pretty good. Maximum payload, right? And the product net weight. Okay. So that's everything that we need to share, I think, on it. Here's the website. I also included to see if it's available on Amazon. I'll include both links so that you can see in both places. So very excited, very excited. You're going to see some videos we are getting in the next couple of weeks. We're getting the new Segway. It's the Segway Max. We're going to be using this gimbal to actually shoot it in the outside, so you'll see how that works. And we have some other accessories that are going to be coming, a lot of electronic devices. So we have skateboards, those one-wheel type devices, as well as additional scooters are coming, and we'll definitely use this for outdoor shooting. So let me know what you think about this product. Are you looking to upgrade your YouTube game? Are you looking to upgrade your wedding game? Whatever you're looking to upgrade, if you are a prosumer, if you just like taking great videos, if you're on your own and you want to be able to have kind of that virtual assistant, you know, using this wand creates a virtual assistant that's going to help you getting that shot right. Let me know in the comment area. I'd love to hear from you. And again, we're going to continue to look at products like this that are going to take our YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks for watching. Keep on subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.